In the middle of the night, suddenly your child wakes up and says, "Mom, I'm feeling sick," and starts to vomit. After one episode, you just feel it's okay. Comfort the child. Suddenly, there is another episode and you feel helpless. Don't know if it is a transient phase or it is serious and what to do at the moment. So I thought, why not make a video on this? Vomiting is a forceful expansion of stomach contents from the mouth. And if it is more forceful, then it comes out from nose also. Not a disease in itself. It is just a symptom of disease. Causes of vomiting. Now coming to what are the causes of vomiting. We can describe the causes of vomiting according to the age of the child, because according to age the causes differ. 0 to 6 months of age, main causes not birthing the child properly. When we feed the child, some air goes inside the stomach, mainly so when the child is crying during the feeding. We don't birth the child properly, air comes out, and occasionally some milk also comes out. It is not very serious. When if you birth the child properly, some milk can come out rarely, but it is not dangerous and child keeps on gaining weight. Next is overfeeding the baby. That happens especially in the top fed babies. Sometimes the sphincter between food pipe and stomach is loose. Milk regurgitates sometimes, so the child spits some milk. Where very rarely, if the child is top fed, infection might be the cause. The milk is contaminated. Very rarely there can be obstruction in the outlet of stomach that can cause vomiting. Extremely rare is some metabolic defect in digestion of milk. It can be diagnosed by some battery of investigations. Coming to causes when child is 6 months to 12 months of age. This age we start weaning the child. The child is also inexperienced and mother is also inexperienced. If the mother gives the food which is too thick and child is unable to swallow, if the child doesn't like the taste of the food, child can spit out the food. Again, this is not actual vomiting. Infection of the stomach. We don't maintain hygiene of the food and the surroundings, because at this time child also puts his hand in the mouth. Reflux of stomach contents in the food pipe. Very rarely the intestines might get entangled, in which case child might develop obstruction of the intestine, which can be a serious condition. Coming to causes if child is more than 1 year old. It is overeating, it is food poisoning, it is acidity and intestinal obstruction. Suppose we are traveling somewhere with the child and child starts vomiting during the travel and it stops after the conclusion of travel. It is called motion sickness. Again, reflux of stomach contents into esophagus. In the ages there can be brain infection called meningitis that can result into vomiting. Child can be dull, child generally has high grade fever and it is a serious condition. Then appendicitis. In this case, there is severe pain abdomen along with vomiting and fever. How to know if vomiting is serious? Vomiting is repeated, contains blood, dehydration like sunken eyes, dry tongue, reduced frequency of urination, child is feeling very thirsty, with fever, pain abdomen, distension of abdomen. It's better to get child checked. How to do if child is having vomiting at home, like the syndrome I described in the beginning. Never try to stop the vomiting forcefully. Help the child by comforting the child by rubbing at the back till the child is vomiting. When the child is done, making relax in the bed and wait. There is only one episode, no need to do anything now. Only don't make child forcefully to eat anything. The child doesn't feel like it. Give child WHO ORS in sips. Or make the child gulp, because it can result into repeated vomit. When the child feels like eating, give some soft diet like khichdi dalia. Apart from WHO ORS, one can give dal water, rice water, thin charge, nariyal pani. And if the child is not accepting anything, at least try to give simple water. Watch for signs of dehydration like sunken eyes, dry tongue, child is feeling very thirsty, child has not passed urine since long. If there is continuous repeated vomiting, you can try giving medicine Ondansetron. It is available as syrup and dispersible tablet form. Dose is decided according to age and weight of the child. If the vomiting does not stop even after giving one dose of medication, immediately rush to hospital. In hospital, doctors will diagnose and give treatment according to the cause. So I have told everything what I thought I should share about the vomiting in a child. If you feel and if you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon, because it takes a lot to make video like this. Thank you.